Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw money in Shopify. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. To withdraw money in Shopify, you need to open up your Shopify account. Once you get into your account, click on the settings icon from the bottom left corner. Now scroll down in settings and click on payments. Then from payments, click on complete account setup. After that, you have to enter your banking information. So you need to enter your code and account number. Click to complete the account setup. After adding the payment, you can view payouts. Then you'll be able to withdraw your money in Shopify. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.